Hey everyone, it's Sabrina. Welcome back. I am going to be working on Project Life Week 15 in my 6x12 album. Once again, not putting out the page protectors and just working on it using foam board. And this is also the second week that I tried out the sticker paper, and this week it was a little bit of a struggle. I wrote more than I thought, so like on this one, the story of my daughter singing about the states of matter, solid, liquid, and a gas, I had to go back on the back, and then I'll just use a tab and then staple on a tab, and then eventually I will add a little flower to it. So I just wrote story continues, and then I'll make sure to put it in the pocket, and then that way you can pull it out and see the rest of the story. Because I was so shocked my daughter was playing with oobleck, and it's very messy because it's like a solid and a liquid, and I was not expecting her to play with it, but she was totally into states of matter, and so she was all about that oobleck. Also gonna talk about this sign that my husband bought me, promoted to homeschool mom against my will, and how that relates to distance learning. And then I really goofed on the photo of my son and his friend on the roof, so I need to pull that photo off and then cut it down, and then I can fit the journaling on because I didn't want to go onto the back. So the photo has lots of area that I can trim, so I just trim that off, and then I'll move April looks like this up to the top right of that photo, and then all the journaling will fit. And then I also have those flowers that I fussy cut from week 14. I'll leave that video in the eye. But I cut these flowers out, stamped and cut, and I added a few of them. Okay, so my journaling, it didn't turn out very good as far as my measuring. I was able to get kind of the overview of the week below the lovely, and then I did Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and I think that that's all I could fit. And I'm sorry that the screen or my video cut it off a little bit at the bottom, but I am just adding the sticker pieces for the different days. Once I have that, I'm going to push everything to the side and then do a little insert of my best friend coming to visit during his spring break from school, and just add in all the pictures. I had some pictures of the kids at the park, and then also a picture of the three of them having popsicles afterwards. And I'm going to use this little piece left over from the flower card at the bottom as a border. Also going to continue the theme of flowers in those three different ink colors, and then I will use some on the back as well. So this is going to be a 6x12 insert for my friend visiting. I found a stamp that says loving that actually fit the side of this horizontal photo perfectly, so I added that in. And then I realized that the flowers come with a center, the brown, and so I decided to stamp those, and I went back and looked through the cards from the Project Life spread and stamped those. Some of them didn't turn out so great, but that's okay. I'm just glad that I figured out that I can add a center to the flowers. Adding in some more word stickers, and then also some journaling lines, which I'll do off camera, and then some at the bottom, and then I'm going to flip it over and do the other side. I have a few more photos of like my son playing video games with his uncle, and then the kids jumping on the trampoline, and then a photo of my friend and I on our nature walk, which was so much fun. We took it, this was back in April, so there was a lot of wildflowers blooming. I am stamping again some more flowers. This time I am doing a little border by the jumping photo, a little cluster up at the top right of the video game photo. And then for the photo of my friend and I, I'm not going to stamp on the photo. I'm going to use two of the flowers that I already had cut out and use those instead. And then I'll stamp the center of the flower as well. And I also stamped Spring Loves, and I will add that to the photo of my friend and I. Also found special moments and hangout time, so I'll add those in as well. And then some journaling lines, and I will be done with this spread. I just need to add the journaling for this special little visit. And that will wrap up week 15, and I love 6x12. It's such a great size to get project life done quickly. So I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing this process video and these come together. I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!